yakni benta jong khubor la wanras phi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Surgeon Superintendent ka Shillong Civil Hospital u Dr. SS Nombri habakran berkari khasi channel ulapan pau ya kajing sengo binyau ya kajing duna ki Dr. Haki Hospital ber kumjuru ki medical officer. Uni Surgeon Superintendent ka Shillong Civil Hospital ulak kerpat ya kitu ki baladap puli doktor ban wan syahmat ban ajing syakri lang ya kejelam. U Dr. Nombri ulaya thuru ba ya ki doktor ki batmai ki dei banyo jing tibet chwa Haki Hospital haswa ban pha ya ki shanong kendong.
Regarding the doctors in rural area, I have seen. I've been in rural areas for so many years. Right from the day one when I was joined in government. I was in Garo Hills, then I was in Stuma, Gent Hills. Then I was posted in Nostal. Regarding posting in rural areas of doctors, in Shillong, in Meghalaya, we are shortage of doctors. We have seen in Civil Hospital, we are running very much shortage of doctors. Especially medical officers. Now in Civil, we have got all the team, right from all the specialty, except cardiology. But regarding the medical officers, those who have passed, they should come forward. Government should make a provision and sanction to get them working in civil hospital or in town. My strategy is that they should come, government should come with a strategy that those who first join in the government job, they should be posted in a hospital where it is equipped first. Like we are doing internship. In internship, during our studies time, when we finish our exam and we have some results, we have to do compulsory 1 year internship. And during that internship, it's just a short durations of training. We are not exposed much. But for these young doctors who join new, they should be exposed like in surgery for 3-2 months, then in gynae for 3-2 months. Then they should go for community medicine. They should go to the field. And they should also be trained in administrative job. These are very important administration. Then only they can be sent to rural areas, so that they can they can face whatever disease they face in rural areas. Most of the doctors now, they are fresh, they go to rural, they don't have the knowledge, not the knowledge, the practical point of the knowledge, and they cannot treat patient. But once they get this training from the district hospital, then they are posted in rural. Naturally, they can handle cases like delivery and then small surgery, minor surgery. They can do it in PCCs. So that's one thing, that how to improve rural service. The doctors and nurses should be trained properly first. Then they should be sent to rural service. Because nowadays so many programs are there in government programs, national programs, like TB, malaria, HIV, all these programs. There are around 26 programs in the GY, Government of India schemes. These programs are run by medical officers. They depend on medical officers in their rural areas. So they have to be trained in that community medicine, what we call, so that they can get good knowledge of that and they can feed the reports to the state. Unless they get not good knowledge of community medicine, they cannot perform. They have to write reports. They have to know how to write the reports, how to give the reports, how to collect the data. All this, which are not trained during our course of MBBS. So these things government should plan and then see that our doctors are exposed to all this. That is my suggestion.
On the issue of